Guys, now we'll go through remainder concept part 2. Okay, so like what I explained in the previous lesson, we always unpack the question by reading the question sentence by sentence. Okay, let us take a look at this question. First of all, they mentioned that James spent 2/3 of his money on food. So what I'll do is I draw a model and divide into 3 equal parts. Okay, so he spent 2/3 of his money on food. So over here, food. And then here they say 1/4 of the remainder. Again, when you see this kind of question, remainder concept, you need to know how to solve this question. Okay, so this is the remainder. Okay, the tricky part here is that they say 1/4 of the remainder. In this case, you only see 1 unit. What should I do? Okay, correct. That means I'll be pull out this whole unit and draw into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you see that I have pulled out from 1 unit into 4 units? Do the same thing for the other 2. So if I would draw the whole model again, it looks something like this. Okay, from here, 1, 2, 3. So here I will have 4 units. Here another 4 units, and here another 4 units. Okay, so just now you saw 3 equal parts. Now you see 12 equal parts. Okay, so now they say 1/4 of the remainder. Let's take a look. Remainder is here. Okay, this is the remainder. And they say 1/4 of the remainder is spent on desserts. So from here, this is spent on dessert. Let me use D to denote dessert. So this is spent on dessert. Okay, then now read the next sentence. He spent $18 on food. How much did he spend on desserts? Okay, how many units are being spent on food? $18. How many units? Look at here closely. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units spent on food, and it costs you $18. Now the question asking you how much did you spend on the desserts, and look at here. The dessert, he spent only 1 unit. So how do I find 1 unit from here? How to from 8 get to 1? Correct? You divide by 8. Do the same thing on the other side, right hand side. I also divide by 8. Again, this question, you are not allowed to use calculator. So how do I do the division? Okay, so let me show it to you. 18 divided by 8. First of all, you must be good in your multiplication timetable. 8 times 2 will be close to 18. I'll get 16. Then if I minus, I'll get 2 here. How do I proceed further? I will have to put a decimal point, and this will give you a 0 here. So I continue. 8 times what? Close to 20. Again, I'll use 2. 2 times 8 give you 16. Minus by 16. What's remainder? 4. I'll continue to put a 0 here. 8 times what? Close to 40. Yes, correct. 8 times 5 is close to 40. So remainder becomes a 0. Therefore, the answer here is 2.25. Okay. Another way you can do is this. 18 divided by 8. That means 18 divided by 8. We look at this in terms of fraction. 18 divided by 8. Tell me, in terms of mixed number, what is the value? Correct? 2 of 8. And simplest form? 2, 1, 4. Alright. And how do I continue from here? 1/4, as I mentioned to you, there are certain things you need to know. You become 2.25. Why? Now I ask you, 1/4, what does it give you? 1/4, what does it give you? Okay, think about this direction. 1/4 in terms of decimal, what does it give you? 1/4 in terms of decimal, it gives you 0.25. Okay, since it's 2 1/4 means answer will be 2.25. Okay, all right.